This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Walthall. Introducing a charming townhome for savvy investors or those seeking low-maintenance living. This well-maintained residence, constructed in 1983, boasts 3 bedrooms, offering ample space for its owner or potential tenants. The layout includes 1 full bathroom located upstairs and an additional half bathroom on the first floor. Although the townhouse retains its original charm from the 1980s, it remains in good condition. While it may benefit from some modern updates, its enduring quality ensures a solid foundation for customization and personalization to suit individual tastes. Situated in a sought-after location, this property presents an excellent investment opportunity. With the flexibility to serve as a rental property, now or in the future, it promises potential for attractive returns. The surrounding neighborhood offers convenience, boasting amenities, schools, and transportation options within easy reach. This particular lot does require flood insurance if financing is obtained. For more information, review the details below.